Hello everyone, welcome back to Key Deal's YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the real estate world, selling your house as is through a cash sale. Now you might be wondering, what does selling my house as is really mean? Put it simply, it means selling your property in its current condition without making any repairs or improvements. This is a contrast to the traditional route where homeowners often spruce up their homes to make them more appealing to buyers. The rise of companies and individuals offering to buy homes for cash has added an interesting twist to the home selling process. No more open houses, no waiting anxiously for mortgage approvals, and no haggling over repairs. It's straightforward and, for many, incredibly tempting. But like everything in life, there are pros and cons to this approach, and that's what we're here to discuss in today's video. Selling your house as is, pros and cons of a cash sale. By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in the ins and outs of cash sales, equipped with knowledge to make informed decisions. But before we begin, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Are you ready to start exploring? Let's dive in! When we talk about selling a house as is, what does that really mean? Well, in real estate jargon, as is refers to selling a property in its current condition, without any repairs or improvements made by the seller. Essentially, what you see is what you get. This means the buyer accepts the house with all its flaws and issues, from the leaky roof down to the squeaky floorboards. There's no sugarcoating or masking anything. It's transparency at its finest. Now, you might wonder, why would anyone want to sell their house as is? The reasons vary. Some homeowners might be in a rush to sell, perhaps due to a job relocation or financial necessity. Others may inherit a property and prefer a quick sale rather than dealing with updates. And sometimes, the cost of making repairs just isn't worth the potential increase in selling price. So if you're considering selling as is, it's crucial to understand both its appeal and its challenges. And that's what we'll delve into next. Alright, let's talk about the advantages of selling your house for cash. Speed. One of the most notable perks is how quickly a cash sale can happen. Without the usual hurdles of mortgage approvals and drawn-out bank processes, cash sales can often close in a matter of days, rather than weeks or months. No agent fees. Going the cash sale route often means bypassing agents, which translates to savings on commissions that typically slice off a percentage of your home's selling price. No need for repairs. Selling as is means you don't have to pour money into fixing up the place. No renovations, no touch-ups, just sell it as it stands. This is a relief for many sellers who might not have the funds or time to make improvements. Certainty of sale. There's a level of assurance in cash sales. Without financing contingencies, there's a smaller chance of the deal falling apart. Buyers have the funds ready to go, making the process much smoother. Less stress. With fewer steps involved, many homeowners find cash sales to be a less stressful option. No open houses, no staging, just a straightforward transaction. Flexibility. Cash buyers often offer more flexible closing dates. This means you can choose a date that's convenient for you, whether you need to move quickly or require a bit more time. So, from swiftness to simplicity, cash sales offer some compelling benefits. But like any option, there are also challenges to consider, which we'll discuss in our next segment. While cash sales can be a dream come true for many homeowners, they do come with their own set of challenges. It's essential to weigh these considerations before making a decision. Potential for lower offers. Cash buyers often factor in the various costs they'll incur after purchasing, such as repairs, renovations, and holding costs until they can resell or rent out the property. This means they might present offers that are below market value to ensure profitability on their end. Limited to cash buyer market. By opting for a cash sale, you limit your potential buyer pool. You're targeting a specific group of investors rather than a broader market that includes individual families and first-time home buyers. Market variability. Cash offers can fluctuate more than traditional sales, depending on the current real estate investment climate. Factors like local property demand or broader economic trends might influence the offers you receive. Due diligence required. Just as in any sale, ensure you're dealing with reputable cash buyers. While many are legitimate, it's crucial to be wary of scams and thoroughly vet potential buyers. Quick decisions. The speed of cash sales can be a double-edged sword. While it's great to close quickly, it might not provide you with ample time to prepare for your next move or assess multiple offers. These challenges are not meant to deter, but to inform. Knowing the potential pitfalls empowers you to make the best decision for your unique situation. And remember, every selling method, traditional or cash, comes with its trade-offs. Alright, let's put cash sales side by side with traditional sales to get a clear picture of where each stands. Cash sales are fast and uncomplicated. No waiting around for potential buyers to secure financing or pass home inspections. Cash sales usually close in days to weeks. In a cash sale, no repairs are needed. You can sell your home as is. No need to spend money or time on renovations. A cash sale is reliable. Once you accept a cash offer, the chances of the sale falling through are minimal. On the other hand, traditional sales have the potential for higher offers. While it might take longer, listing your home traditionally can attract a wider pool of buyers, possibly driving up the price. In a traditional sale, there is a stronger chance of selling for market value. If you've done significant upgrades or your home is in a desirable area, you might fetch a price that aligns more closely with its market value. However, traditional sales require more time and effort. Traditional sales often involve staging, repairs, multiple showings, and potentially longer wait times. In summary, while cash sales offer speed and certainty, traditional sales might bring in a higher price but require more effort, risk, and patience on the homeowner's part. So we've discussed the pros, cons, and how cash sales compare to traditional ones. But a critical question remains: is a cash sale right for you? Let's delve into the situations where cash sales could be a lifesaver. Firstly, for those confronted with time constraints, a cash sale can be a lifesaver. Imagine you've landed an exciting job opportunity in another city. Or perhaps there is a pressing personal situation demanding a swift change in your living arrangements. In traditional sales, navigating the myriad of steps, from home showings to waiting for buyer financing, can take months. But with a cash sale, you bypass many of these time-consuming stages. The result? A notably expedited process that aligns with your tight timeline, ensuring you can relocate or address personal matters without the added stress of a prolonged property sale. For homeowners saddled with properties showing signs of wear and tear or outdated features, the prospect of a cash sale can be immensely appealing. Traditional buyers often come with expectations of homes that are move-in ready, leaving sellers with a daunting task of undertaking costly and time-consuming renovations. Furthermore, home inspections, as standard in conventional sales, can uncover a laundry list of issues that a seller might then be pressed to fix. This not only drains finances, but can also significantly extend the sale timeline. But with a cash buyer, the paradigm shifts. These buyers see potential in every property, regardless of its current state. Selling as is means you won't have to dip into your savings for renovations or grapple with the stress of inspections and subsequent repair negotiations. Instead, you can pass on the property in its current condition and save yourself the hassle and expense. For homeowners navigating challenging situations such as foreclosure, divorce, or inheriting an unwanted property, traditional home sales can add layers of stress. In cases like foreclosure, there's a rush to sell before bank intervention. During a divorce, swift asset liquidation is crucial, and inherited properties can bring emotional and logistical complications. A cash sale emerges as a streamlined solution in these scenarios. Instead of enduring prolonged processes of buyer negotiations, inspections, and loan approvals, cash sales offer swiftness and simplicity. This approach provides homeowners a quicker, more straightforward path to closure and a fresh start. The real estate market, with its peaks and troughs, can be an unpredictable beast. For homeowners who prefer stability and are wary of potential market downturns, waiting out the typical home selling process can be anxiety-inducing. Traditional sales involve multiple stages, from house showings which require keeping the home in immaculate presentation condition to the back and forth of negotiations, which can extend timelines. Additionally, agent commissions bite into your final take-home amount, reducing overall profit. The process is interspersed with uncertainties at every turn. On the other hand, a direct cash sale sidesteps many of these challenges. Without the necessity for public showings, your privacy is preserved, and the home can remain in its lived-in state. Absent are the protracted negotiations and the agent's cut. In essence, a direct cash sale offers homeowners a quicker, more controlled selling experience, serving as a beacon of predictability in the often tumultuous world of real estate. Remember, every situation is unique. It's about understanding your circumstances and priorities and making the decision that's best for you. Okay, folks, we've journeyed through the maze of cash sales, dissecting its benefits and caveats. Now, armed with its knowledge, you're better positioned to make an informed decision that aligns with your unique needs. Selling a house is a significant milestone, often intertwined with emotions and financial implications. Whether you're eyeing a speedy transaction without the fuss or you're navigating life's unexpected twists, a cash sale might be the solution you've been searching for. If you're leaning towards this route, remember that Key Deal is dedicated to providing a seamless and favorable cash buying experience. We're here to offer clarity, transparency, and most importantly, peace of mind during your home selling journey. Eager to learn more? Or perhaps ready to get an offer for your property? Reach out to keydeal.com today. And if you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching!